welcome to the PFG learning tutorial. So here we are going to learn about the basic and the fundamentals of Python, doing coding in Python. So as we all know, Python is the basic fundamental language based on the object. So here we are going to use the same and some of the existing machine learning libraries. So here I'm going to demonstrate two libraries. One is Numpy, okay, as per the name, which is going to store all the numerical values and help us to achieve the purpose. Second is import math. So it is again a mathematical library which helps us to perform all arithmetic and comparative operations. Okay, so let's say for example I have a variable called x and I want to input some value. So if I run this, it is going to ask me the input. So input, let's say I can enter any value. I enter 10. Okay, now x is holding a value as 10. Now similarly, if you want to specify and enter a particular value, you need to specify the data type. So here let's say I am going to pass the message to the user. User does not know what to pass in this input value right now. Now here I am going to pass it as float input into the decimal number. So I am giving the clear message to the user that input only the decimal number, and again along with that I am going to pass the data type as float. So decimal number means it is a step something like 20.5. okay, and I press enter. So now y stores the decimal number as 20.5. okay. Now next is enter. Now I want to perform the concatenation. So x plus y is going to perform the concatenation. It is not going to perform the addition right now. It is going to perform the concatenation. Let us see how. So let's say x is input, enter any number greater than 10, input and enter any number greater than 20, and then I want to print that two numbers into z string. So let's complete this as 20.5. Now if I run this, enter the first number, it is asking the input. Let's say greater than 10, that means 15. Okay, we can enter 15. Now input second number greater than 20, let's say 25. And then now since I performed the concatenation operation using the plus, x was holding 15, now y was holding 25, so it has printed it as 1525. Now next is, now let's say if I want to show all the ones. So using the Numpy library, you can display all the ones. So x is a variable which is storing 10 ones, or I can say 100 ones. So it will print, x means it will print 100 times in an array. Okay, so it has printed 100 times. So you need to pass how many times you need to print it. Similarly, I want to print the zeros 10 times. So this is again the predefined function. Similarly, you can generate any random number every time using the function as random.random, np.random.random. So inside the number variable, I am storing this and I am trying to print that random number. Okay. Now let's say I have a variable called z as 5 and I want to add a value as 5. So z is 5, print z plus 5 means 5 plus 5, which is 10. So this is how also you can perform the arithmetic calculations. Next is perform the addition. So in a simple manner, we can also perform the addition as, I have defined the data type as integer. Okay. So if I enter the first number, if I run this, it will ask the user enter the first number. Let's say I enter the first number as 10. This is another way. I've passed the data type as integer. Second number as 20. So we all know 20 plus 10 is 30. So the output is 30. Okay. Now I can use it as .py. Let's say we create another result variable, okay, which is going to store math.py. So py is a function in maths. Okay, it will going to show us the value for the value of pi as a mathematical function. Okay, so this is the basics about Pandas. So I can show you the mathematical function over here where it stores the square root and pi. So here I have square root of 5. I can get square root of 10, 100. The square root of 100 we all know is 10. Okay, it is running. Let it run.